Okay, so si Senator Loren at si Senator Pia finally got in touch with the NBI director. So they're here, they're here in the room. We have to turn off the lights dahil may putukan na nangyayari.
Good evening, everyone. I am still here in the Senate, and I'm still in the office of my brother, the Senate President. I had wanted to do an FB Live to be able to share with you the recent events that happened the last few hours.
Pumapasok na silang lahat. Ano ba yan? Bakit nagkakaputukan dito sa Senado? Hindi na ito normal. Ano ba naman to? Talaga bang dadakipin na kami lahat? Bakit kami pinagbabaril dito sa labas habang nasa loob, mapayapang nagkukoko?
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat, mga kababayan ko. Kasama po natin ang ibang senador ngayong gabing ito. At kanina po putukan po sa second floor. Update lang po sa inyo. Pagdasal niyo po kami rito sa Senado na hindi po magkagulo at walang masaktan.
Trap pa rin kami sa Senate, almost 2 hours na ata. Tumigil na yung gunfire pero kanina lakas ng putukan sa loob at nag-blackout kami dahil pinatay namin yung mga ilaw at grabe talaga yung nangyari kanina, but okay naman kami ngayon. I think medyo nag-normalize na, dito pa kami kasama lahat ng senador, pati yung kapatid ko si Camille, so we're safe and please pray for us. Thank you.
Nandito si Secretary John Vic Remilio ng DILG.
And she told you so if it was an inside job from our side, from the 13, we would have been receiving. So just to